there, and today's topic is we shall read news. How to read news, that is important. In the news reading, we shall check our reading comprehension, pronunciation, and that means speed also we shall check, and also we check the points. What are the main points we have to say? How to to say all these things? I will I will give you to read. So at least 10 minutes. Every one of you will read the news. Okay. So I am sharing the screen, and after that I will be telling you, and the thing in the screen what will be there, that one you have to read on, and at least 10 minutes you have to read. Okay. Pronunciation should be there, fluency should be there, and how to read the sentences, how to read the news, that one I will check. So first of all, how do you know, what do you know, that one you just try on, and later we shall be discussing how to read the news. Okay. So let me share the screen. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So that is the screen. Can you see that screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is the news app I installed, and every time when I get time, I just read this news for pronunciation, for practicing many things, for vocabulary also. So if you are also not installing any app, then you can install, and you can install the news. Okay. So first of all, Karan will read all the things. What will be? I will be scrolling down. That means you have to read on at least 10 minutes. Now it is 12, so up to 22. That means 10 minutes you have to read. Okay. What you are understanding, what you are getting in front of your eyes, that one you will read on. Okay. And reading should be a bit slowly, a bit fast, not that much faster. Okay. So Karan, you start your reading.
Okay, ma'am. SEBI keeps NSLD's proposed rupees 3,000 crore IPO in abeyance. Saudi extend 1 million PDP oil output cut. Energy ministry. For banks, digital is the aspiration, but brick and mortar is the reality. Read your trusted Economic Times newspaper, and now in a brand new way. The rise in China rules the 94 trillion global infrastructure market. India wants a share of the pie. This bill is unconstitutional. It is against Indian basic structures, say OIC. Indian growth prospect intact, and FY24 exports to do well. Finmin report for volatile markets for large cap stock from different sector with upside potential of up to 27%. Live now, Amazon Great Freedom Festival sale. Bank offers and bumper discount. Pharma placed bullish with 8% gain, and IT mid cap poised to share 4%. Money making skill for Gen Z to become rich. Bharti Airtel's Q1 profit flat at rupees 1,612 crores. ARPU rises to rupees 200 as startups cut cost and funding winter headhunter, she fled off assuming Adhir Nifty Auto Index stocks selectively not secularly bullish. Explore Dubai's thriving business environment. These mid-cap stocks with strong buy because can rally over 25% more is not enough. Recording Amazon new e-commerce playbook. Logically, your 5 logistic companies with an upside potential of up to 35%. Lok Sabha clears Delhi service bills. India's economy may hit 6.7 trillion in FY31, go to average 6.7% of SSP. Isa Motor Q1 results profit zoom 50% yo to rupees 918 crore. Revenue jumps 17%. Crocs blackmailing influencers using AI made deep nudes. The second coming of Start Meter. Will India get in right this time? Nitin Desai suicide case recorded message naming 4 people recovered. Anand Mahindra reveals one habit that's most of difficult. Nurture Zomato deliveries quarterly profit for the first time. World biggest Avatine pill maker has a dark Indian link. It might not be able to shake. Realme dynamic partnership paves the way for distribution driven growth in a market.
Okay, very good. So that's the thing. But one thing is that you have read nicely, very nicely. Reading was very good. But here is some pronunciation. We have to work on pronunciation and how to read the news. That one we should understand. Such as I am just reading. Nitin Desai suicide case recorded message naming 4 people recovered. Anand Mahindra reveals one habit that's most difficult to nurture. Zomato delivers quarterly profit for the first time. World's biggest abortion pill maker has a dark India link it might not be able to shake. Advertisement. Realme's dynamic partnership paves the way for distribution-driven growth in the market. Sometimes you have to use the intonation. You have to read and not only by one voice. You have to read sometimes intonation so that intonation also and so that you can understand the flow of reading newspaper. Okay? Did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So next I will start